First value in Pandas datetime index is unsearchable. I have a simple series. Later in my code I retrieve the area for specific days using the following format: sub_dim_metrics the 2nd of April 2017, for example. Before I retrieve area for a certain day, I first verify that the requested date is in the series, like so. If the 2nd of April 2017 in sub_dim_metrics.index. My problem is that the first value in the index does not return true, while the rest do. Why is this, and what is the best way to verify a date is in my series before retrieving its corresponding value?
Fuck. You are getting false when you expect true. You are checking whether a string is in a datetime index. Apparently Pandas is loose with the check and tries to do it for you. It's getting it wrong though, isn't it? Plan 1. Do it right. Plan 2. I think the unsortedness is throwing it off. Sort underscore values first. Setup.
The key exists. The key does not exist.